Hello and welcome to How to Shiza. Today we will be learning about the Felixo margin trading system as well as their lending system. These can be extremely profitable for your crypto wallets, so let's jump into. So this tutorial is going to assume that you've already signed up for the airdrop and you already have a wallet filled with FLX tokens, or coins, sorry. You can only use the Felixo coins for the margin trading so far and the lending. You can't really do much else without them or with them yet. So how we're going to make a bunch of money with this and how you're going to make a bunch of money with this is you're going to have your FLX tokens. You're going to click up here on margin and we're going to use half of our balance. 816, and that takes it out of your exchange wallet and puts it into your margin trading wallet, which they've separated. So now we'll look at our margin trading. Okay, so this is the margin trading system. So it might look like a whole lot of numbers, but unless you really want to know a whole lot about cryptocurrencies, you don't even really have to look at most of it. All you got to pay attention to is that little green arrow, which will either be a green arrow or a red arrow. If it's green, it means it's going up. If it's red, it means it's going down. How the margin trading system works is you're basically going to take an educated guess on where the price of the coin is going to go. So you can either short the coin or you can long the coin. What did happen to my screen right there? That was weird. So I like to look at this just to get a general idea. You know, Bitcoin's been on the down lately. At the time of making this video, I'm going to guess hopefully it goes back on Bitcoin. And just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to dump all of my tokens into it. About the Felixo margin trading system is they allow you a leverage of 10-fold. So you can multiply your investment by 10 times without actually having those funds. But you do have to pay a fee. So you'll notice it says 0.2% FLX. So instead of 816, now I can use 8,160 and I can keep the profits off that, or I lose a bunch more money if I'm wrong. There we go. I'll go down here and there we go, there it is. So far it always starts out minus. No matter what, it's always going to start out minus, and that's simply because of the lending fees and that other fee right there. So, and there's something else in there because it's at like 50. But yeah, to keep yourself from losing too much money, you have two functions. You have a stop loss price or a take profit price. So this was at 8,353.65 USD, and we're longing it. Oh, what happened to my screen there? My phone is being jank apparently because of. So we're gonna say. So we're longing it. So that means we want the price to go up. If you're shorting it, you want the price to go down. So we're longing it. We want the price to go up. We started at 8,353. We're going to say our loss price, so we don't lose too much money, is going to be 8,200. And then our profit price, you don't have to put this, you don't have to put any of these numbers. It's just to control how much profit or loss you're going to have on your transaction. We're going to put this at 8,600. So that way, if this gets to 8,600, this price, and I'm not around to close the contract, I'm still going to get paid for that payout. And vice versa, if it dips down and I'm not there to prevent it. And that is your margin trading. I'll give you guys an example of your possible payouts. So sometimes you do good and you can make 192 right there, or sometimes you do really bad and you lose 267. So it all depends on your knowledge and, you know, everything else. You can see this one here auto closed at a profit on the top. So that was to keep it from going down, stuff like that. That's how that all works. And then your lending, stashed inside of your wallets. So to make a loan to them, you're going to choose the currency you want, and we're just going to max this one out. We're just going to go 815.22, and we're only going to do it for 3 days so that these all come out on the same day, give or take. You can have auto renew turned on, which will automatically renew your loan every time it expires so that you can collect more interest without you wasting time. Or if you just want to do it for a single period, you can turn that feature off, which is what I'm going to be doing. And then you hit loan. Just so you are aware, whatever you loan out, you cannot reclaim within those days that, you know, you're loaning it out. If you loan it out for 30 days, you lose that for 30 days. You can see down here, these are previous ones that are still in effect, actually. And ones where I have here FLX tokens in for 30 days. You can see there's a 256 token profit. And yeah, that's basically how that works. The only thing is, you know, lending takes a lot more time compared to margin trading. So margin trading is obviously a lot more risky, but you can make a lot more money on it if you're good at it, which I am apparently not. Because if you guys want to see that list again, that was terrible. I did bad at that, apparently. And this one moved a little bit. There we go. So yeah, I've lost a lot more money than I've gotten on margin trading, but lending can be profitable. I mean, if I didn't have that one there screw me over for 267, probably would have been pretty good. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, Felixo, for the opportunity to make this video. You all have a great day.